episode 2. I'm your host Cris Cross, and today we're going to have a closer look at one of the builds that they've been finishing. Now there's been some painting, some repair work, and a lot of body work happening in the shop lately. So let's go talk to some of the guys and see what they've been up to.
Hey guys, I'm Todd from Superformance. I run the workshop, sort all the boys out, get them on to what jobs they need to be doing and organised and running. Okay, so currently we've just completed 2 insurance jobs, one for Shannon's insurance and one for Fame's insurance. One's an XP Falcon and the other's a EJ Holden Sedan. The EJ Holden Sedan's owned by a lady. Unfortunately her roof of her home dwelling caved in on the bonnet and damaged the bonnet and the right hand front guard. The first thing we did was repaired the certain areas, so we removed the paint of both the right hand front guard and the bonnet. We then found a fair bit of rust developing under the surface of the paint, and then in the end we ended up painting the whole bonnet, the top of the left hand front guard, the cow panel, the apron, the chin spoiler, just basically to make the whole colour system match. In doing this, we were able to use very little filler. The shops might just put a heap of filler in it, one prime paint in a smash shop. It's basically not what we do here. So we try and use a little amount of filler as possible, small amount of primer, wet rub, into the booth, mask the whole car off, base coat, allow that to tack off, another base coat, and then we apply our clear coats. '65 XP Falcon Sedan is a local car. They live at Redland Bay. It's a Shannon's insurance job. The customer unfortunately had his car roll out of his own driveway across into a marshy sort of wetlands area, and it landed on a post. This customer came to us recently before the Shannon's insurance job about getting the car repainted, so it was one of those, we were maybe going to paint the car, and now he's had this unfortunate incident, so we basically recommended painting the whole car, get the whole car schmick, colour match, everything so it all matches. So it's sort of half Shannon's job, half customer job, and in the end the car's turned out quite nice. So we also repaired the exhaust system from the headers back that also got damaged in the incident. The customer also supplied an aftermarket fuel tank, which was a larger fuel tank, so in turn where the muffler was located we had to move that to back underneath the floor pans. New tail lights, new trim rings, new lenses. The customer also supplied a few little interior job bits we did. We repainted all the interior trims, new headliner while the windscreens were out. Yeah, it looks like a really nice car. So now both cars look brand new as if they rolled off the showroom floor and ready to go both at the same time. So that's 2 this week, which is a great effort by the boys. Bring on the next couple.
When it comes to custom paint, full resprays, even repair jobs, as you can see, the guys at Superformance have got it covered. Now we're going to be looking at next week. It's very exciting. Next week we're going to be looking at big horsepower, big wheels, and big brakes. Don't forget to subscribe, hit below, and check out the website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.